Welcome to this explainer. Okay, I want you to imagine something for a second. Imagine transforming from an absolute beginner with a budget of zero into a prolific tech creator. It sounds crazy, right? But today we are unpacking the AI App Entrepreneur Roadmap, and we're going to see exactly how completely free AI tools are totally rewriting the rules of software development.
So what if you could build mobile apps for free? Honestly, a few years ago that sounded way too good to be true. But here's the reality we live in now. Free AI tools have practically wiped out the need for expensive, clunky software and years of intense, pull-your-hair-out coding experience. You literally no longer need to be a Silicon Valley insider with deep pockets to create something absolutely incredible.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is your roadmap, your hero's journey from zero to monetization. We're going to cover the app development opportunity, getting started and fundamentals, building apps with AI, designing better user experiences, how app developers earn, and finally, avoiding mistakes and growing.
Section 1. The app development opportunity. Let's look at why this is such a powerful skill right now.
You know, the sheer scale of the global mobile audience is just staggering. We're talking about billions of smartphone users worldwide. Mobile apps aren't some cute novelty anymore. They are a mandatory, integrated part of everyday life for a massive portion of the global population.
They are literally everywhere. Shopping, banking, healthcare, education, travel, food delivery, fitness, entertainment. Whether you're ordering lunch or checking your bank balance, apps run modern life. And because of this constant, heavy usage across all these industries, businesses and schools are in a relentless search for developers to serve their customers. That demand? That is exactly where your opportunity lies.
Section 2. Getting started and fundamentals. Time to equip yourself for the journey ahead.
So to get started, the barrier to entry is shockingly low. You just need a computer or laptop, internet access, your smartphone for testing, those free AI tools, and honestly, the most vital component, your own curiosity. No massive investments in high-end hardware, just your time and your willingness to learn and practice.
Let's dismantle an app for a second. Every app you use is essentially a puzzle made of core components. You've got a login screen, a home screen, navigation, settings, user profiles, notifications, a database in the back, and the overall user interface. Understanding how these pieces connect is absolutely crucial. Why? Because when you understand the fundamentals, tweaking the code your AI generates becomes an absolute breeze.
Section 3. Building apps with AI. Let's introduce your new magic weapon.
Just imagine typing this. Build a simple expense tracker app with login, categories, charts, and dark mode. It is genuinely amazing that instructing an AI to generate an app structure and sample code is now this conversational. You literally just tell it what you want in plain English, and boom, it goes to work.
But let's define this. An AI development assistant generates layouts, writes code, suggests features, and even explains your errors. But here's a quick reality check. It's an assistant, not a replacement for you. You absolutely must review the results carefully, test everything on your phone, and customize that output to make sure it actually meets real human needs.
Section 4. Designing better user experiences. Because functional code is really only half the battle.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the reminder that a truly great app is so much more than just working code. Think about your favorite apps. It's the smooth animations, right? The intuitive navigation, the blazing fast performance. Those design choices are what elevate a basic, clunky prototype into a polished, professional product.
To prove you can create those great experiences, you need a portfolio. And you should start small. Solve everyday problems. Build a to-do list, a budget tracker, a fitness planner, maybe a restaurant finder or a habit tracker. These small, practical projects become the perfect building blocks to showcase your different skills to future clients.
Section 5. How app developers earn. Let's talk about the ultimate reward for this journey.
Think of this as the mini narrative of your new career. Step 1. Build that portfolio we just talked about. Step 2. Use it to freelance and build apps for local businesses. Step 3. Publish your own apps or sell templates. Step 4. Create major tools and work directly with startups. You see how starting small just naturally snowballs into diverse income streams? It's a game changer. Section 6. Avoiding mistakes and growing. Let's bring things back to reality and look at some common beginner pitfalls. And this brilliantly illustrates the divide between failure and long-term success. The wrong way? Publishing without testing, blindly copying AI code, ignoring feedback, and making things way too complicated. The right way is testing every single feature, deeply understanding those design and security fundamentals, listening to your users, and committing to continuous learning.
Learn, build, test, improve, solve problems, keep growing. That is your ultimate roadmap. AI makes development incredibly accessible for sure, but sticking to this cycle is what actually makes you successful. Every top developer out there once started entirely from scratch with one single, simple project.
So, I'll leave you with this one thought to kickstart your journey today. What real-world problem is your very first app going to solve? The free AI tools are just waiting for you, and the barrier to entry is completely gone. It is time to get curious, stay focused, and start building.